Recently, 1688 app introduced a new update which allow every foreigners to create an account with different options. You can create account with Google or Facebook or any different options. However, if you are the type that want to create an account on 1688 with Google account, or you are contemplating which of the options is best to create an account on 1688 right now, consider to stay tuned to this video and pay proper attention to vital information I need to tell you before you can create your 1688 account using Google option to log in. A lot of people have been contact me about this particular issue, and I decided to make a video about this so everyone that want to create account right now on 1688 will be aware. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you are not left behind. So let's get started. So recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to access from my 1688 right here, and I'll go ahead and open up my WhatsApp right here. Okay, now this is the message right here. So hello, good morning, and followed by this particular screenshot right here. Quite a lot number of people are complaining about this, and I will tell you why and what exactly happening to something like this and why you are likely getting something like this on your 1688 account each time you want to log in, or suddenly you get locked out by your 1688 app. So let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, JD.com, iDoFish, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So like I said, this person reached out to me right here, and this was the message right here. And hello, good morning, followed by a screen. So the app bring me this. I've done everything I want to do, all in vain. I made an order yesterday. You can see they have been placing order on the account, and I'm supposed to send some code to my agent, but I have no access. Kindly help me. The person called me on WhatsApp, but I could not pick up the call, and then please advise. Then this is my response the following day morning, and then I said click on leave restriction and send screenshot. So for everyone that have something like this, you sometimes get an option to leave restriction, while some will not even get an option to leave restriction. Now after click on leave restriction, this is what is sent to me. Now at this point here, for every foreigners, you have to choose international passport, which is of belief that you can use international passport to lift restriction, which is this options right here. But something happened. Let me quickly show you. Right here I say translate and choose international passport verification, and you are done, which is normal way to leave or identity verification of a new account on 1688. And instead of getting access back to the account, this is what pump up right here, and this was my response right here. Your account is gone. Why this is happening? Now, what do you mean by it is gone? I say, how did you create your 1688 account? And this was the response right there. I use my Gmail account. I sign in using Google account. So, and this is my response right here. You can't gain access. You can't regain access to your account again. And this is just the fact. Now, I will tell you why. What happened right here is that if you have any restricted on your account like this, and you try to lift the restriction, it takes you to this option. By the time you choose international passport, you're supposed to be given an option to verify your identity with passport. But in this case, they were not given. The reason why this was not given is that the account was not banded by Alipay. This was the interpretation of the message right here. And if you are not logging in your 1688 account with Alipay, there is no way you can bind your Alipay account with that particular 1688 account. And as a result of that, if you have account frozen or account lockout, just like what happened to this account, you will never get access back to the account, no matter how much of the order you place. As a result of that, because you create an account with Gmail or your Google account, which is not binded with Alipay. So the best safe and secure way to create a 1688 account remain Alipay. So if you are the type that are contemplate and then or you are the type that have been using your Gmail account or Google account to create your 1688 account for a very long time, you are still using the account, be mindful of what can really happen right here. And if this thing happens to your account, believe me, the account is gone. There is no way you can get access back to the account, except if you log into your 1688 account with Alipay. It's that simple. So if you are contemplate or you are already create an account with Google or Gmail account on 1688, it is advisable to forget about the account if you don't want this thing that happened to this particular person to happen to your account also, shorter or later. So it is advisable to forget about the account completely. Create a new account with your Alipay. Make sure you always log in your 1688 account with Alipay. Should in case you have issue like this, you'll be safe and secure and regain access back to your 1688 account. It's that simple. Let me know what you think about this particular information in the comment section down below. For more useful tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.